So that's
Well,
getting
good luck
dealt
with that.
with. Yeah. So, so yeah, I am like, and the builder is coming in 2 weeks, so I got to find money for him. It will come. And then I need some electrical jobs done, and he's coming to do some of it on Friday. So yeah, so I got a lot of house stuff happening. I cleared my card and it's back on $500. So I'll clear that, and then all
Uh,
this will go on that again. Yes, so that's the joy of owning a property, isn't it?
yes, there's always something that needs doing.
Yeah, but this weather event is horrible. It's not helping. I think it's partly driven by the weather event because of what it has. There has been a lot of moisture, a lot of water.
Yeah, well, they're safe. They're moving to higher ground to save everything, aren't they?